dear students. A very happy new year 2022 to all of you. So, today I will tell about some more questions in time and work. Which we are continuing. So, this is one more model in time and work. Let us directly hit the first question. The question is 12 men and 16 boys can do a work in 5 days. In the same way, 13 men and 24 boys will do the same work in 4 days. 7 men and 10 boys together will do the work in how many days? The question is, men and boys are there, 12 men and 16 boys can do a work in 5 days. 13 men plus 24 boys will do the same work in 4 days. 7 men and 10 boys will do the same work in how many days? So directly I'm telling you the trick. First, if you think there are 3 equations in this, first equation we are multiplying with 5. Second equation will multiply with 4. Then subtract men from men and boys from boys. We have to convert men to boys. Let us see. First one, 5 into 12, 60 men. 4 into 13, 52 men. So from 2 equations I got like this. Then 5 into 16, 80 boys. 5 into 16, 80 boys. 4 into 24, 96 boys. So from men I'll remove men, and from boys, boys. 8 men equal to 16 boys. So the work which is done by 8 men is done by the 16 boys, because men capacity is more when compared to boys. So one man's work will equal to 2 boys. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So one man capacity is equal to 2 boys. So we have to convert men into boys. Let us take first equation or second equation. If we take first equation, 12 men plus 16 boys can do a work in 5 days. So you know that 1 man is equal to 2 boys, 12 men is equal to 12 into 2, 24 boys. Plus 16 boys can do the work in 5 days. This is how the equation is converted, because 1 man equal to 2 boys, 12 man equal to 24 boys. 20, 30, 40 boys can do a work in 5 days. Now let us see the question. 7 men and 10 boys will do the work in how many days? 7 men and 10 boys will do this work in how many days? 1 man equal to 2 boys. 7 men is equal to 7 into 2, 14 boys plus 10 boys, that is 24 boys will do the work in how many days? So now 40 boys can do a work in 5 days. In the same way, 24 boys will do it in how many days? So if you can cancel, 4 6 are 24, 4 10s are 40, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 25 by 3, 8 1 by 3, that is equal to 8 1 by 3 days. Hope it's clear. 25 by 3 means 3 8s are 24, 1 is left, 1 by 3. 25 divided by 3, 3 8s 24, 1 is left. So 8 1 by 3. So hope is clear. So the coming question directly we will solve it. Men to men we have to subtract, and in the same way boys to boys we have to subtract. Then we have to substitute in any one of the two equations, either 1 or 2. Then take the question, that is 7 men plus 10 boys will do it in how many days. Then convert this men into boys. Then finally we'll get the answer. Let us see one more question of the same type. Let us see one more question, dear students. 4 men M is for men and 6 women can do a work in 8 days. In the same way, 3 men and 7 women will do the same work in 10 days. 10 women will do the same work in how many days? 4 men and 6 women can do a work in 8 days. 3 men and 7 women can do the same work in 10 days. 10 women will do the same work in how many days? There are options for us: 25, 30, 40, 60. There are 4 options, dear students. So as usual, directly I am doing 8 into 4, 32 men, 10 into 3, 30 men, equation number 2. In the same way, 8 into 6, 48 women, 10 into 7, 70 women. If you take the difference, 2 men's capacity is equal to 50, 60, 22 women. 1 man's work is equal to 11 women. So instead of 1 man, we can put 11 women. You can take the first or second equation. If I take the second equation, 3 men plus 7 women can do a work in 10 days. Question is 10 women will do it in how many days? 1 man means 11 women. 3 men means 3 into 11, 33 women plus 7 women can do it in 10 days. So 40 women can do a work in 10 days. Question is 10 women will do the same work in how many days? So 40 women can do it in 10 days. 10 women will do it in 40 days, or else 40 into 10 by 10. So hope it's clear. So what we are doing here, dear students, we are taking the capacity of men and women, we are converting men into men. Then we can substitute in the first equation or second equation. Then go to the question, and finally we'll get the result. We are going for the next one. Question number 3. Let us see question number 3. The question says 9 men and 12 boys can do a work in 4 days. 4 men and 16 boys can do the work in 6 days. 6 men plus 24 boys will do the same work in how many days? 9 men and 12 boys can do a work in 4 days. 4 men and 16 boys can do a work in 6 days. 6 men and 24 boys will do the same work in how many days? Now, dear students, you know what to do. Multiply first equation with 4, second equation with 3. Multiply first equation with 4 and second equation with 3. So, second equation with 6, we see here 6, 4 into 9, 36 men, 6 into 4, 24 men, 4 into 12, 48 boys, here men and boys are there, 6 into 16, 96 boys. From men if you remove 36 and 24, 12 men and equal to 48, 96 minus 48 is 48 boys, 1 man is equal to 4 boys, 1 man, the work done by 1 man is done by 4 boys because man's capacity is more than that of the boys. Now I can take either first equation or second equation. I will take first equation. 9 men plus 12 boys can do it in 4 days. 1 man's capacity equal to 4 boys. 9 men means 9 into 4, 36 boys plus 12 boys can do it in 4 days, that is 30, 40. 48 boys can do it in 4 days. In the same way, if you see the question now, 6 men plus 24 boys will do it in how many days? 6 men means 1 man means 4 boys, 6 men means 6 into 4, 24 boys plus 24 boys will do it in how many days? That is nothing but 48 boys will do it in how many days? So, you know that 48 boys can do work in 4 days. So, 48 boys will do the work in 4 days. So, let us see one more question of the same type. The students, if you think the video is fast, you can pause the video and learn the question. Question number 4, 6 men and 5 women can do a work in 6 days. 3 men plus 4 women can do the same work in 10 days. 9 men plus 15 women will do the same work in how many days? So, if you see the question, options are 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take the first equation, multiply with 6, so 36 men. Second equation with 10, 30 men. First one with 6, 6 into 5, 30 women, 10 into 4, 40 women. You know the difference, 6 men equal to 10 women, 3 men equal to 5 women. So, the work done by 3 men is done by 5 women. You know what we are doing, dear students. Now, if we take second equation or first equation, our wish, I will take second equation, 3 men plus 4 women can do a work in 10 days, 3 men equal to 5 women. So, 5 women plus 4 women can do it in 10 days. So, 9 women can do the work in 10 days. Now, you can see the question, 9 men plus 15 women will do it in how many days? So, 3 men equal to 5 women, 6 men equal to 10 women, 9 men equal to 15 women. So 15 women plus 15 women. So 30 women will do it in how many days? So 9 women can do it work in 10 days. So 9 into 10 divided by 30, that is equal to 10 3 is 3 3 is so 3 days. So dear students, fast method is subtract directly. First equation is 6, second is 10. Directly subtract and put the step 3 men equal to 5 women. Then only you can get the answer fast. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.